Welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you the two main algorithms that you use when you're solving a Rubik's Cube using the beginner method. So if you haven't seen the first part of this video series, just go check it out and then come back here. So in the first move, you're going to move the right side up. You're going to move the upper part clockwise. You're going to move the right side counterclockwise. And then you're going to move the upper counterclockwise. So right, upper, right down, upper clockwise. Right up, upper clockwise, right down, upper counterclockwise. So go on and do this with me. It's really important that you have this to where your fingers kind of naturally know what to do. Right, upper, right down, move the upper part counterclockwise, right up, move the upper, move the right down, move it upper. You'll notice that if you do this move correctly 6 times, then it goes back to the original spot that it was already in. So that doesn't mean that this is what we need to solve the Rubik's Cube. So it's just saying this was already solved. We did it 6 times, and now it's back to the position it was in. So that's the right-handed version. And now I'll tell you about the left-handed version. So you're going to move the left piece forward. So that's an L prime move, which again is a little confusing, but it's an L prime move. Then we're going to move the upper piece counterclockwise, like that. They're going to move the left side down, and they're going to move the upper piece clockwise. So left forward, upper counterclockwise, left down, upper clockwise. So do it with me. And you'll notice again, I did it 6 times and it went back to the original position that the cube was already in. So these are the two main algorithms that you need to know. An algorithm, it sounds like a scary word, but basically it just means like a series of steps that you need to follow. And so now I'm going to talk to you about actually starting to solve the cube. So I'll see you in the next video.